Greg Lefevre here from the Whole Brain Group, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to create great above-the-fold content for your manufacturing website. There's 7 components to this, so we'll jump right in. First one, simple navigation. We're on the wholebraingroup.com website right here, and you'll see that there are 6 different navigation items. You don't want to keep it between 5 and 7 anymore, and you're going to confuse the user. All right, number 2, something that's important for every manufacturing website is to have a search bar. This is so that when folks come to your website, don't quite know exactly under what navigation item they're going to be using, they're going to type in a keyword or a product number in your search bar, and that'll take them right to your products. Number 3, logo and logo placement. So for Nike in this case, they've got the logo in a prominent position up in the top left, and it's there to confirm that when you land on this website that you actually are on Nike.com, and it's also there as a navigation button to take you back home. All right, number 4, a bold statement. GM's approach to this is 4 crashes, emissions, and congestion, 0 is more. And they've gone ahead and coupled that with the 5th element of great above-the-fold content, which is the CTA, or the call to action. In this case, learn more, and it's very closely related and in close proximity to their bold statement. Now, the last compelling part of any great above-the-fold content, any manufacturing website, is going to be compelling imagery. Manufacturers are making incredible products that consumers want to see. You can show them off here, above the fold. The last element is simply hierarchy. GM is another good example of this. You can see that the emphasis is on the imagery, the emphasis is on the CTA, and the emphasis is on the bold statement. The navigation, the search, and the logo kind of recede. They're there to be useful, but the most compelling parts are the largest parts. That's 7 components of great above-the-fold content for manufacturing websites. I'm Greg Lefevre. Stay tuned for more insights on design and marketing from the Whole Brain Group. We'll talk soon.